Hi, my name is Devin Workman from Scrub, a division of HHB Communications. In this series of videos, we'll be taking a look at Avid's new control surface, the S6. This new modular console combines the best of previous generation Icon and Yukon control surfaces. In this first video, we'll give you an overview of the modules that make up the S6 and how they combine to give you the ultimate control of your audio workstation. The Avid S6 can be ordered as a standard configuration or custom configured to your requirements. This is Scrub's demo console, an M40 24 fader 9-knob with displays. The heart of the S6 is the MTM, or Master Touch module. This can be either an M10 or an M40. The M10 can be configured to a maximum of 24 faders, while the M40 can control up to 64 faders. The channel modules are as follows: the fader module, the process module, the knob module, and the display module. Only the M40 MTM can support 2 knob modules per process module, and only the M40 supports the display modules. In the configuration we have here, we have 9 knobs per fader channel, including the 1 knob for the process module. The final module available with the S6 is the Master Automation module, or MAM, but more on that later. The fader module consists of 8 motorized faders, each with a high-resolution OLED screen to display track name, automation mode, and other track information. As well as mute and solo buttons, you have select and attention keys, and additional multifunction buttons for input monitoring and record arming, for example. Each fader channel also includes multi-segment LED metering and multicolor switches that display your Pro Tools track color. These switches also work as modifier keys that could be used to quickly set the faders to 0 dB, for example. The process module consists of 8 multicolor LED top-lit knobs, which default to pan per fader channel, but can be swapped to control sends, EQ, or dynamics, for example. The process module also controls the functions of the knob module. The knob module controls the parameters as selected by the process module. So if I select pan on the process module, the knob module will control pan of that channel. The multicolor LED knobs use color as an indication of function: pan, sends, EQ, dynamics, inserts, inputs, buses, and groups. As you can see, by making use of color, the S6 is able to give you quick visual feedback across the surface. The display module gives you metering as well as EQ and dynamic function curves, but can also display waveforms directly from your timeline, giving you visual indication of regions on the tracks. The Master Automation module, or MAM, includes a dedicated transport section, a multifunction wheel that can control jog or zooming, for example, and 30 user-programmable soft keys, as well as the attention fader. The attention fader can be called from the attention button on a fader module, or from the MTM. The MTM is the heart of the S6, while the M40 or M10 version of the MTM determines how many and type of surface modules that can be attached. The touchscreen operation is the same for both MTM versions. From the touchscreen, the MTM can be used for track navigation, either from the tracks page, or the meter or track scroller on the attention page. The attention page combines touchscreen control and gestures with the tactile knobs that sit either side of the touchscreen to give you the best of both worlds while editing track parameters. The MTM also gives you control of your monitoring, either from the touchscreen or from the dedicated monitor section below. The MTM also has user-programmable soft keys and dedicated keys for global session control. In our next video, we'll go in depth with the MTM and MAM to show you how these modules give you precise control of your session from the listening position. To arrange your demo, please contact HHB or Scrub.